KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, the 16th of September. I'm James Spann. When's it going to turn cool and rain on us? Well, not going to rain anytime soon, but heat levels will come down later this week. Let's take a look at things. Still the same old story, strong ridging across the southeast United States. You know what that means. It's going to be hot again today. The main storm track, the mid-latitude westerlies, are up near the Canadian border. Temperatures are, well, in the low 60s in a few spots. Fort Payne, 63. That's not bad, but we're going to zoom up into the mid, maybe upper 90s again today. But at least it's a dry heat, kind of like a blast furnace, more like you see in the southwest United States. The dew points will be fairly low today. There's a watch warning map around the nation, pretty quiet. Got a few fog issues up north and on the East Coast. Severe weather possibilities today, a marginal risk over Utah. Nothing here. This is tomorrow. And this is Wednesday. Again, we're going to stay in that white no rain zone for a while. Speaking of rain for the next 7 days. Down here in the deep south, the big old bag of nothing. This is suggesting nothing for Alabama through Monday of next week. Drought conditions on the eastern side of the state will only intensify and will develop on the western side of the state, unfortunately. Keep in mind, September and October are the two driest months of the year. So it's not that odd to see this, but we could sure use a good wet down. Could we see a wet down from a tropical system? Well, probably not. We've got, first off, Umberto on the board. This is a pretty good-looking hurricane here. This thing is packing sustained winds of 85 miles an hour just off the southeast coast of the United States. Thankfully, that will not be affecting the United States. Maybe close to Bermuda Thursday morning. It'll pass probably just to the north of there, and then it hooks up into the North Atlantic, becoming post-tropical. Elsewhere, a little feature in the western Gulf drifting toward the Texas coast, not expected to develop. And a high chance of a system forming in the Atlantic between the Lesser Antilles and the coast of Africa, but that sucker most likely will recurve. Every European ensemble member, all 51, show a strong recurve well east of the United States. So model fans, let's see what we got here. GFS, 06E run, 4 o'clock today. Again, strong ridge over the eastern U.S. and sunny and hot. Highs well up in the 90s. You know the story. Not much change tomorrow. This is Wednesday. Note those showers in Georgia. That's a backdoor-type front coming in from the east. And I don't think it brings any significant rain. I guess there could be a sprinkle somewhere, but that backdoor front will probably creep in here Wednesday night. And then Thursday, we're dry, but the heat levels come down. High should be back in the 80s at that point. And we'll take that. And this is Friday, sunny. Friday morning will be in the low 60s. The high will be in the upper 80s. And as the weekend begins, will it rain? No. A sunny day Saturday, highs again, probably upper 80s. And then Sunday, a front approaches from the north. But there's not a lot of upper support for that. That might bring a few showers for the Tennessee Valley Sunday afternoon. And then Monday, upper high increasing over South Texas, troughing over the northeast, and that front kind of drifts down into central Alabama and fizzles out. And there could be a few widely scattered showers there, but again, not the kind of rain we need. Let's go out 10 days. Wednesday, September 25th. Again, what you want, the strong mid-latitude westerlies are still up in Canada, and that still looks dry. So let's look at the GFS ensemble. You can see that green line is hugging the 0 bar for at least the next week. And then it kind of rises up, and you can see the mean is almost an inch out there by the 1st of October. But members are all over the board. Members go from nothing up to 3 inches. So, again, as we've said, this is the driest time of the year. So hopefully we'll get something, but the odds of any rain for the next 7 days don't look good. And as you look at these numbers, keep in mind you're going to need to tack on a few degrees because of the fact we have no soil moisture now. I would add about 5 degrees to these numbers. But again, clearly the trend is down on Thursday and Friday once that backdoor front comes through. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.